Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 29th, 2021. HIVE blockchain. Is this the best penny stock to buy now? Well, we're going to talk about that today. You guys can see that I did a price prediction not long ago, back in June, of us expecting HIVE to go up in price. We're going to talk about that again today because maybe it is, maybe it isn't. So welcome to the channel. This is HFN. We're also known as HueFin News, the spot, the location that we give you all the news according to the charts. People speak with their money, whether they're buying or selling these stocks, tells us where the majority of the market is trying to do. Are they trying to fill the bags? Or are they trying to sell the bags? And if you can't determine that for yourself, you guys won't have to be dependent on me or anyone else to give you their perception as to what they think these stocks are valued at. Pretty good, right? So if you guys want to learn more, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I don't talk about, fundamental analysis because it's all left open to what I feel, and you have your own thoughts. I don't want to persuade you into thinking a certain way about a particular company because it really doesn't matter. It's just the only thing that matters is what price it's going to do. A lot of people on YouTube, you got a lot of analysts, Wall Street analysts, they do massive amounts of quote unquote due diligence only to see price go the opposite direction. And it happens countless times. So you're beginning to ask the question, why in the world would I use something that is not reliable? Or why are you giving me an estimate over the next 2 to 3 years of what a company's revenue is going to be? Too many unknowns can happen from now until the next 3 to 4 years that will impact how much money a company is going to make. So how can you price something now when you cannot even expect what can impact the company and its revenue over the next 3 years? It makes no sense that people try to fool us. Yes, I said it. They try to trick us into thinking that this type of analysis, fundamental analysis, actually benefits us, and it doesn't. The only thing that benefits us, that gives us a competitive advantage, is the price, and price only. Don't worry about anything else. So let me show you. June the 30th, which is right here, for HIVE blockchain, we did a price prediction. I was telling you then, I'm looking for the price to go up. And we already got that 13.5% relatively quick. It didn't happen. It didn't take a long time for the market to hit that 13.5% price point that I had talked about back in June. This is how you're able to win into the market, all right? And then the market came and fell. We still came through, and the market has held this $2 area as support. That's where the buyers are at, all right? That's where they're at. And now price is up here around $3.71 is where the price closed, which is around 35% profitability if you held on to now. That's it. It's simple, right? Now, let's speak on what we have now. Look at the chart. All right, what do you think the market is trying to tell us? Just by looking at the chart, which one do you think is winning? Do you think the buyers are winning? Or do you think the sellers are winning? Just looking at the chart. Nothing hard, nothing confusing about it, right? Let me show you. Because basically, this trend tells the story. Yeah, the buyers are winning in the market in HIVE blockchain, right? They are. From a long-term perspective, they are. It doesn't mean within this movement higher that we don't see price come down, because we do. Take a look. We saw price come down starting in March of this year, found support around July timeframe. Price came down, went up in July, came back down in September. We saw the massive movement up higher in November, and now price is coming back down to start December. Cool, we got it. But generally, you guys can visually tell that the buyers are winning into the market in HIVE blockchain. So let's try to figure this out on a different time frame. Let's look at this on the 3-day. Okay. So now currently, the last 5 3-day price bars, price has been coming down in HIVE. So we want to wait. We need to see what the buyers are at, right? Because sellers currently is dominating the market in HIVE blockchain. You can see it, price has been going down. So maybe we can see support come to the market around 350, right? That would be the first spot that I'll be paying attention to see the buyers. 350, $3.50. Second area, maybe $3.15 to $3. Yeah, which would bring us to where the buyers will have to be. Right there around that ascending line. So $3 will be it. for us to see the buyers appear. Now take a look at how we ended last week. Okay, we saw a probable precursor of strength here into the market in HIVE blockchain on the week of November the 15th. We did. That simply means that we needed to see this last completed price bar close higher than it, but it didn't even do it. Right? We saw price close on a low, which lets me know that, yeah, there's still some selling involved into the market in HIVE blockchain, that we're not necessarily out of the woods to let this price come down. This is what the weekly price chart is showing us. Look at this from a monthly perspective, since we're about to end the month of November. Look at all this volume that came in HIVE blockchain for the month of November. Price has been trading during the month of November. Look at this. Price went as high as $5.60. Now price is trading around $3.71 on this massive volumes. You guys can see it. We were trading around all-time highs during the month of November on high volume. So what do you think that means? Do you think the buyers came in and bought, or do you think the sellers came in and sold? The answers are already here. Yeah, the sellers came in and sold massively. So from a monthly perspective, the market here in HIVE is still showing us weakness too. So why would I want to come in and expect the price to go up when the majority of the market participants is telling me price is trying to come down and that they're selling their bags? This is not a buyer's market right now because price is coming down. Yeah, you want to buy on a low, but you only want to buy when the market stops dipping, right? Because we could see price come all the way back down to $2. And everyone's going to come in HIVE blockchain and tell you that the stock is on discount, that you need to come in and buy the dips. And I'm here to tell you that the dip may be just getting started in HIVE. Right? So let me do this real quick. Yeah, I'm playing the weakness into the market in HIVE blockchain. First, $3.50 right there around that vicinity is where we need to be prepared to nibble off the market in terms of profitability, because I can see the buyers stepping in there. That would be the first spot. Second area would be here. $3.15. That's the second area. Okay, so we have $3.45, 50 cents, give or take. That's the first area for us to nibble. Gives us around 6.72%, right? Second area would be $3.15, 18 cents, namely $3. Okay, I'm gonna bring it all the way down to $3 though, because this is where the decision needs to be made for the buyers. We need to see the buyers step in alongside this trend, which would bring us towards this $3 price. Okay, that's it. Simple and easy. We need to see the buyers step in there, because if they don't, then the forecast that we currently have on a chart is going to continue to be in play. We're going to go a lot lower in price, which would be around $2.50 or $2.65. That would be the third area. It is what it is. But we don't have to be nervous. We don't have to wonder why price is going down, because I already told you why. Majority of the market participants are selling. That's it. All right, so I'm done. Now you can drop your price prediction for me with a comment in the comment section and let me know whether y'all think the market price in HIVE is going to go during the month of December. Hit me up. And that's it. Welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.